Good afternoon, it's the Frazierhughes Experience Realtor, and I'm having an open house here, one of my latest listings in one of my favorite areas of Roanoke, in the Raleigh Grandin Court area, 2238 Brandon Road Southwest. And this house is awesome. Go ahead and let me have the camera, and I'm just going to back up and show you a quick picture of it. You've got red brick right here, your boxwood bushes trimmed to perfection, and here's your red brick house. And it is absolutely gorgeous. So let's take a peek inside real quick. I know you're gonna come to the open house till 3 o'clock. I'm also gonna go ahead and put a link right here below the video, so you can also find out more details, square footage, location, price, and to see if this works for you. Can you see me? I know it's kind of dark right now, but this house has so much character and style. Hardwood floors. It has the possibility of 5 bedrooms. That's at 2238 Brandon Road Southwest. I'll be doing an open house here until 3 o'clock for all the details. And to get the experience, click the link below this video. I look forward to seeing you soon, and don't forget, the experience is real.